Samantha, when are kids allowed to sit in the front seat?
At the movie theater?
Of the car.
I like what age?
Yeah. No, there's a condition. When their hair reaches their butt. Like, when? What age? 6?
Yeah.
So when they're 6?
He sits in the front sometimes on really short trips.
Okay.
He's 6. No, when you're 8.
Jake,
What?
when are kids allowed to sit in the front seat?
Never, because they're a giant fat pig will jump through the window. That's not the window.
Okay.
And then it throws them out of the car.
When are kids allowed to sit in the front seat?
8.
8?
I'm 8.
No matter their size?
Depends on their size. If they're like a giant and they're 5, then they can.
Okay.
A giant.
So giant 5-year-olds. Ryan, when are kids allowed to sit in the front seat?
When they're a giant 8-year-old.
When they're giant 8-year-olds.
That's Jake. Oh, Jake's turned into a giant here.
Jake is a giant.
His hair just ripped off.
His hair ripped off.
Now his shirt, now his pants, and now his underwear.
Okay. Goodbye, Ryan.
And he hits on my
Bye.